Why the world is obsessed with Holi, even though they aren't Indians. Well, it's kind of interesting. There is a vibrancy in the air each year when the world comes alive with color. What began as an ancient Indian celebration has transcended its regional roots to become a global phenomenon. Across continents, people from all walks of life are drawn to the spectacle of Holi, a festival that not only paints the streets in brilliant hues, but also sparks conversations about tradition, unity, and identity. In this documentary, we explore the evolution of Holi from a sacred ritual to a worldwide celebration. We examine its origins, the factors behind its global appeal, and the debates it has sparked. Our journey takes us from the rural villages of India to the bustling metropolises of Europe and America, uncovering why this festival of colors captivates hearts far beyond its birthplace. Segment 1. The Ancient Roots of Holi. Holi finds its origins in Indian mythology and ancient traditions that date back thousands of years. Initially celebrated as a spring festival, Holi was steeped in symbolic rituals meant to signify the triumph of good over evil. Ancient texts recount the tale of Prahlad and Hiranyakashipu, a story that illustrates the victory of devotion and righteousness over tyranny and sin. Over centuries, Holi evolved from a local religious observance into a cultural celebration marked by communal participation and the playful throwing of colors. Historical records indicate that the festival was not always the exuberant, carefree event known today. In its earliest incarnations, Holi was observed with solemnity and ritual significance. Communities gathered around sacred fires, reciting hymns and performing acts of devotion. As time passed, the strict religious observances gave way to more exuberant expressions of joy, symbolizing the arrival of spring and the rejuvenation of life. The vibrant colors came to represent the abundance of nature and the promise of a new beginning. Firstly, I want to tell you something, guys. Creating these videos takes a lot of effort, research, editing, and paying attention to every little detail just to bring you the best content. If you enjoy watching videos like this, just hit that subscribe button. It keeps me motivated, and you won't miss out on more amazing stories. Segment 2. The cultural significance of colors. Color plays a central role in Holi, and its significance goes far beyond mere aesthetics. In many ancient Indian philosophies, colors are imbued with symbolic meanings. Red stands for fertility and power, green for new beginnings, yellow for learning and knowledge, and blue for the divine. As communities celebrated Holi, the playful application of these colors became a ritualistic act, a way to break down social hierarchies and celebrate the unity of human existence. The act of smearing color on one another is more than a frivolous pastime. It is a visual metaphor for the dissolution of barriers, a celebration of the ephemeral nature of life, and an invitation to embrace change. Over time, the vibrant display of color has come to symbolize the universal themes of love, acceptance, and the relentless march of time. Segment 3. The Journey Beyond Borders. The spread of Holi beyond India is a story of globalization and cultural exchange. With the advent of modern travel and digital communication, the traditions of one of the world's oldest festivals began to resonate with international audiences. Holi festivals started appearing on the streets of London, New York, Berlin, and beyond. In these urban landscapes, organizers sought to capture the exuberance and communal spirit of the original celebration, blending it with local cultural nuances. In Europe, for example, Holi events have become a staple in summer festivals, where music, dance, and art converge. These celebrations often feature a fusion of traditional Indian music with contemporary beats, attracting a diverse crowd eager to experience a taste of something different. In North America, the festival has been embraced as a celebration of diversity and community, a day when people cast aside differences to join in an all-encompassing celebration of life. The global appeal of Holi can be attributed to its inherent message of unity and renewal, values that resonate deeply in a world that is increasingly interconnected yet divided by cultural and political boundaries. Segment 4. The Role of Media and Social Networks. One cannot underestimate the influence of modern media and social networking on the proliferation of Holi worldwide. In an era where images and videos travel faster than words, The vivid displays of color and the infectious energy of Holi celebrations have found a natural home on social media platforms. Videos capturing the spontaneous joy of participants, photos of streets transformed into living canvases, and viral stories of cross-cultural celebrations have all contributed to making Holi a global trend. Major media outlets have featured Holi as a symbol of cultural vibrancy and resilience, further fueling its popularity. Documentaries, travel shows, and even news segments highlight how the festival transcends cultural boundaries and brings people together. Social media influencers from around the world have embraced the festival, sharing their own experiences and interpretations. The result is a digital tapestry of memories, emotions, and creative expressions that continue to inspire people to join in the celebration of life. Segment 5. Global Perspectives: Appreciation or Appropriation. As Holi has gained international attention, a debate has emerged over whether its global adoption represents cultural appreciation or a form of appropriation. This question is complex and multifaceted. On one hand, the widespread celebration of Holi can be seen as an acknowledgement of the festival's universal appeal, a recognition that its core message of unity and renewal transcends cultural boundaries. On the other hand, there are concerns that the festival, when stripped of its historical and religious context, risks being reduced to a superficial party gimmick. In cities around the world, organizers often strive to maintain a balance between preserving the cultural integrity of Holi and adapting it to suit local tastes. Workshops on traditional music, dance, and rituals are sometimes included alongside modern interpretations such as live DJ sets and contemporary art installations. This blend of old and new raises important questions about the preservation of cultural heritage in an age of rapid globalization. Can a festival remain true to its origins while evolving to meet the demands of a global audience? The answer, it seems, lies in a delicate interplay between respect for tradition and the inevitability of change. Segment 6. The economic impact of a global celebration. Beyond its cultural and social dimensions, the global spread of Holi has significant economic implications. In India, the festival is a boon for local artisans, small businesses, and the tourism industry. Markets brim with natural colors, sweets, and festive attire during the season, generating substantial revenue for local communities. As Holi events gain popularity abroad, similar economic opportunities emerge in host cities. International festivals inspired by Holi attract sponsors, drive tourism, and create new business opportunities. Event planners, fashion designers, and culinary experts all find fertile ground in the celebration's vibrant energy. The economic ripple effect extends beyond the festival day, contributing to a broader cultural exchange that enriches communities on multiple levels. As global audiences participate in Holi-inspired events, they not only celebrate a festival, they also invest in a vision of a more connected and culturally diverse world. Segment 7. The Modern Holi Experience. Today's Holi is a tapestry of contrasts, a blend of age-old rituals and contemporary exuberance. Walk the streets of modern cities during Holi, and you might witness a surprising mix of traditions. In one corner, an elderly couple quietly observes a time-honored ritual passed down through generations. Nearby, a group of young revelers dances to the latest electronic music, their faces splashed with neon powders that seem to glow under urban lights. This modern interpretation of Holi is a testament to its adaptability. It is no longer confined to the boundaries of a single nation. It is a living, breathing celebration that welcomes reinterpretation while keeping its essence intact. The festival now serves as a bridge, a way for people to explore their cultural identities, to celebrate diversity, and to question the rigid definitions of tradition and modernity. Interwoven with these modern elements is an ongoing dialogue about the future of cultural celebrations. As organizers innovate and audiences evolve, the meaning of Holi continues to be redefined. Is it merely a day of revelry, or is it a catalyst for deeper societal change? Many believe that the festival's enduring power lies in its ability to provoke reflection, to challenge assumptions, and to inspire a renewed commitment to community values. Segment 8. Voices from around the world. Across continents, ordinary people share a common story during Holi, a story of unity, joy, and transformation. In a bustling metropolis in Europe, an event organizer explains how Holi has become an emblem of hope in a city grappling with social divisions. Here, Holi isn't just a festival, the organizer states. It's a reminder that despite our differences, we can come together and celebrate life in all its messy, beautiful glory. In North America, a teacher recounts how organizing a Holi event at her school has transformed the lives of her students. For many of these kids, it's the first time they've experienced such an inclusive celebration, she remarks. It teaches them that the world is full of colors, both literally and metaphorically, and that every shade has its own story. Even in India, where Holi is deeply rooted in tradition, conversations are evolving. Community leaders and cultural historians discuss how the festival can be both a tribute to ancient customs and a beacon for future generations. They emphasize that the true power of Holi lies in its ability to unite people, to remind us that beneath the surface of our everyday lives, we all share a common desire for connection and renewal. Segment 9. The philosophical underpinnings. At its core, Holi is more than just an annual celebration. It is a philosophical statement. The festival challenges the rigid boundaries that separate us, both socially and emotionally. It is an invitation to let go of inhibitions, to confront the transient nature of life, and to embrace the beauty of impermanence. The colors, ever-changing and unpredictable, mirror the spectrum of human emotions and experiences. Philosophers and cultural commentators have long noted that Holi offers a glimpse into the human condition. In a world that often feels fragmented and divided, the festival's message is a clarion call for unity. It encourages us to shed the layers of pretense and to confront the raw, unfiltered truth of our existence. In this sense, Holi is a celebration of life in all its complexity, a vivid reminder that every moment, like every color, is fleeting and precious. Segment 10. Looking toward the future. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the future of Holi presents both challenges and opportunities. The festival stands at a crossroads, where tradition meets innovation. Organizers around the globe are tasked with preserving the cultural heritage of Holi while adapting it to the demands of modern society. This balance is delicate, requiring a commitment to authenticity without sacrificing the elements that make the celebration dynamic and accessible. The future of Holi will likely be shaped by a new generation of cultural ambassadors, individuals who understand the festival's deep roots and are eager to reimagine its meaning for a global audience. As technology continues to transform the way we communicate and celebrate, Holi may evolve into an even more inclusive and immersive experience. Virtual events, interactive installations, and digital art are already beginning to play a role in how the festival is experienced outside of traditional settings. Conclusion of Part 1. In exploring the global phenomenon of Holi, we see a festival that defies simple categorization. It is both ancient and modern, local and universal, a celebration that speaks to our collective desire for renewal, connection, and expression. From the sacred rituals of its past to the vibrant street parties of today, Holi remains a powerful symbol of the human spirit. The colors, the music, the communal laughter, they are all testaments to the festival's enduring ability to bring people together, no matter where they come from. In the next segment, we will delve deeper into the personal stories that illustrate how Holi has transformed lives around the world. We will hear from organizers, participants, and cultural experts who offer diverse perspectives on what Holi means in a modern context. Their voices will further illuminate the intricate tapestry of tradition and innovation that makes this festival so remarkable. If you've made it this far, you probably enjoyed the video. But imagine if I stopped making these. Where else would you find stories like this? So just hit subscribe and let me know that my hard work truly matters.